Call me Gemini, the gifted one, the MC. I was born to MC. I was born to rhyme. I was born to write and recite it and express myself. Yeah, I was born to rhyme. I was born to spit it till you get it and express myself.
The bigger they come, the harder they fall. Danger Mouse and Gemini putting the writing up on the wall for people to read. I'm doing this cause I need people to see and touch it and feel it. And hear that the spirit is running through me. I was born to MC. So when I was young, I said I want MC, gonna MC. You can see me at 3 a.m. in front of bodegas eating potato chips and watching the day go by. With dreams of the day that I could get paid to rhyme. That's probably why I stay so high, blazing a lie. But nowadays we call it pumping the trees. Niggas ain't hot, but nowadays we call everybody MCs. I don't mean to preach, but MC is a level that you gotta reach. Respect your history, be open to learn and willing to teach. I mastered each and every lyrical style that you'll ever need. So lyrically, musically, spiritually, this album is all you'll ever need. Please believe.
I was born to MC. I was born to rhyme. I was born to write it and recite it and express myself. I was born to rhyme. I was born to spit it till you get it and express myself.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying, D? Cats don't understand, you know. Some cats are, you know, they like to rhyme. Some cats wanna rhyme. I was born to MC. I was born to do MC. You feel what I'm saying?